By watching this video, you'll quickly explore the latest upgrades in Wan 2.7 image and see how it compares to its biggest competitor, Nano Banana 2. Right now, Wan 2.7 image gives you 10 free credits just for checking in. Each generation creates for images and only costs 2 credits. So you can easily try it yourself. I've linked it in the description below. 1. Color palette. One of the new features in Wan 2.7 image is its color palette control. You can simply drop in a reference image, and the model will automatically extract its core color palette, and then generate new images that match those colors. Or, you can define your own palette using up to 8 hex codes with precise ratios, giving you full control over the final look. Nano Banana 2 doesn't have this feature. But to keep things fair, we'll try to make it extract the color palette of the same image, and generate an image based on that, then compare the results side by side. By the way, if you want Nano Banana 2 to generate 4K images, you can use HitPaw FotorPea. Inside, you'll find multiple Google Gemini-based models that support higher resolutions. It's super easy to use, and honestly, great value for what you get. I will also put the official link in the description. 2. Real faces. Wan 2.7 image also has really strong face control. You can tweak things like face shape, eyes, makeup, hairstyle, even accessories. And it works across different ages, ethnicities, and body types. This isn't just small variations. It actually generates completely different people each time. Let's see how it compares to Nano Banana 2. 3. Local editing. Editing here is super simple. Just point and describe. Select any part of the image, tell it what to change, and it updates instantly. For example, what if I turn this skateboard into a flying fish? Let's compare the results with Nano Banana 2. 4. Text rendering. Text rendering is another area where many AI image tools struggle, especially when it comes to accuracy and layout. So in this section, we'll test how well Wan 2.7 handles text generation, and compare it directly with Nano Banana 2. Thanks for watching this Wan 2.7 versus Nano Banana 2 comparison. Let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials or deeper tests, and I'll make more for you. See you in the next video.